Now we're on the gondola in Queenstown. Check out the view.
It's no surprise that we ain't have fun. We'll all you, but you meet me in my darkest cavern. Can't count what you've earned.
Look at that view.
I don't want to be afraid of heights.
You're better on my side.
No, that's alright, I can see fine.
I think there's an outside view point up top.
Every passing second, every drop of falling rain, I realize I'm lucky to be holding you. When my ground starts shaking and my bones start breaking, I realize I'm lucky to be holding you. We ain't in a perfect world, but it used to bring the stars out, used to freak my heart out. Every passing second, every drop of falling rain, I realize I'm lucky, I'm lucky, I'm lucky to be holding you.
Oh my god, Jelly Belly gondola. The loose. Is that like a toboggan?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Balloon.
Isn't this nice? Look at this. Souvenir. Jelly Belly shop. Uh-huh. Oh, I'm feeling. Oh. I'm sorry.
So beautiful. We're above the cloud line. Absolutely freezing. It's snowing. Seagull honey goes up the mountain. We've got the chairlifts up there. Beautiful. We've got the toboggan going down. Man, that's totally freezing. Camera handling it. Okay. Beautiful. This is the view from the top of Bob Peak.
I've got a snow cookie. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sure. Hang on. Let me just take a couple more.
This is our view again of Queenstown. And
That's so cool.
too close. Oh, who needs to go there?
I remember a couple of years ago, about 5 days in a row, trying to go to Milford 5 days in a row, and people tried 5 times to get to Milford Sound, and 5 times to go to town, and 5 times to turn around and come back. Really frustrating. So just make the opener.
It's coming up to an they've got as they print a bit of a photo stop, but a walk and a toilet break as well. You guys will go up to the main divide, all dropped over the very beautiful Hollyford Valley.
man's hair is so spiky.
Alright, again guys, for those who are not too sure about English, we are leaving here at 10:20, okay? Please be back on board the coach at about 10:15 or a few minutes thereafter. Again, please, I can do a quick head count, we'll be on our way. But again, look for my coach number 1112 or look for the possum on my dash, you'll be on the right coach. This is where we're having more tea here this morning on the right hand side. Now, of course, getting an access to the building, guys, to the right-hand side there, guys, you'll find a quick access to the building. Carry on through to the right, and you'll find the cafeteria and the gift store through there as well there, guys. Down here in the south, we have more than a fair share of earthquakes. There's about 24 known fault lines that we have here in the South Island, but we have one in particular that we're quite concerned about. That's the Alpine fault line. That runs right through the backbone of our Southern Alps. So we have beautiful Redford Valley. Over these next few corners about to loom up in front is this lovely U-shaped valley. This U-shaped valley is the Eglinton. That's going to be the starting point for us for the Fiordland National Park. Now the beautiful mountains off to the left-hand side of the Eglinton, these form the Earls, and the Livingstones off to the right. Now when we get into the mountains and you're looking at them all, please try to remember that there is not a lot of soil content to these mountains. It's all this hard rock of quartz and granite. And with a lot of respect, they do deserve. You might be enjoying some fishing or camping with family and friends and not realising back up in the high country many kilometres away they could be experiencing a torrential downpour and can cause a bit of a flash flood with very little warning, and the Eglinton is only very prone to this. So look quite carefully. We've seen a lot of debris that might from previous floods. It doesn't take very much at all. A few hours of heavy rain, she can virtually transform.
Buff now. Let's do a video. Let's have a video.
Scar inside there will cause a little tree avalanches and landslides 45 south. Well, I'll show you something quite interesting. Last year in October we had a big storm come through here. The wind was absolutely horrendous. And look at the wind to these trees around the corner here. It absolutely shredded them.
I can see. Oh wow, these two.
Look at that. The wind was horrendous. It's quite impressive.
Still alive.
And so folks, very soon we will arrive at Knobs Flat at the entrance where both male and female toilets.
Toilet stop, Knobs Flat. Before Milford Sound. Look how beautiful the range is. The sheer size now.
Now over the years I've seen a lot of spectacular photos of massive avalanches rocketing down through here. We've seen a lot of small ones coming out from the O'Nice as well. To see and hear an avalanche, it is absolutely amazing. They feel a little bit terrifying. They do sound like 100 runaway freight trains. That's another reason why we have glass roof coaches. You hear a little voice at the back of the coach saying, "But faster, Brian," and we know it's an avalanche.
Lovely.
This is totally amazing. Gives you the view. There's a home tunnel up there. A big cliff.
The worst one. Don't cross the road, so what do? They cross the road. Look, they're thinking about it. Oh, there's another one standing in the middle of the road. Look, oh. Oh, look at that. There's more over there as well.
There's one of those birds, see that? On the road?
Where?
Look at that
Oh, yeah, look.
Hey Steve, see the bird over there?
There he is. Oh,
It's like an owl.
hello. I'm not sure. Funny looking thing. It's called a Kia.
Yeah.
Oh, people are taking photos. How cool would that be, eh?
How long is the tunnel again?
1.3k long.
Okay. What's on the other side?
More mountains.
Oh, there he is.
I'm not, they're on the roof. Come on. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Look, look, look.
There he is up on the
Over there.
roof.
Oh, how cute.
We're going into the Homer Tunnel.
Alright guys, the very famous Homer Tunnel.
There we go. And it's
It's essentially we've been the last few years at Indian testing in here. Now prior to this, we had to rely on our own versions of illumination to see where we were going and what we were doing, and that meant we could have a lot of fun with people like yourselves. One of our favourite tricks to turn off all the exterior and interior lights, turn everything and everyone to inky blackness, the type of windscreen facing inside of a small little tiny white light. I'd turn that on and play the tape of a train coming. That was great fun. But amazing bit of engineering for its day to consider. It started in 1929, they broke through in 1940. When they broke through, of course they solved a major problem, that was flooding, lots of little cracks and fissures through here, so water's constantly flowing through. They never really solved this problem until they broke through in 1940, and then of course another problem came along. It was effectively the Second World War, and work effectively came to a complete halt. Now, it wasn't until well after the Second World War, when a lot of returning servicemen came back, and of course they got had to get a lot of work, and they started working through here as well. Finally completed by 56. So 1.3k long through quartz and granite.
Beside her. Ooh, these emotions I never knew. Of some other world far beyond this bliss. Beyond the trees, above the clouds. Oh, I see before me a new horizon. I wanna know, can you show me? I wanna know about these strangers like me. Tell me more, please show me. Something's familiar about these strangers like me. Come with me now to see my world, where there's beauty beyond your dreams. Can you feel the things I feel right now with you? Take my hand, there's a world I need to know. I wanna know, can you show me? I wanna know about the strangers like me. Tell me more, please show me. Something's familiar about these strangers like me. I wanna know.
So I'm sure you go to. She's a beautiful boat, the Pride of Milford. But remember, as I said, guys, gate 10's the one you want. If you've lost or misplaced your pass, come and see me at the terminal.
Today we're on the Milford Sound lunch cruise. Check it out. Oh, we're on the Pride of Milford.
And what's the name of the boat?
The
Pride of Milford. What are you doing? Zoom around. Is it still recording?
Yep.
Still recording.
That's good advertising for Milford Fair.
We're on the Milford Sound.
Like a river Jordan, and I will then say the pain.
Special.
International Road.
For those going through the Mayfair, should be pulling to the stop there around about 5 to 1.
And if we have an abundance of water down here which can create electricity from hydro, we'll then reticulate that.
Wise little check the stop and on through to Tekabo. We hit Tekabo today around 12 o'clock and we stopped there, have our lunch break at Tekabo. Coach will leave there at 12:40, that's when George takes over. Through Geraldine there about 2 o'clock today, have an afternoon comfort stop there on via Ashburton into Christchurch City. It should be in Christchurch City today. We have those on board. Drinks in resettable bottles, as long as they don't contain milk or alcohol. And don't need to get rid of any bits and pieces, rubbish and etc. We've got a rubbish bin on the front of the coach here on the front panel beside the door. The rubbish bins at the stops we have along the way. If you can use those, it'd be much appreciated rather than using the seat pockets and in between the seats, etc. As we go along today, I'll be putting up points on the place that leads up to the Remarkables. On its first day of the season, yesterday, we've been hanging out for a bit of snow.
Uh-oh. Our horse tracks.
Oh. This is my
Lying down in the carriage.
This is the way Dad said it must have
And just the left-hand side here, some bird aviaries in there as well, quite a large variety of birds. Large children's play area, and that's also amongst the Lobble Lakes and Gardens in there.
31 hectares in total.